How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video of my two-door Jeep JK. I just picked up a soft top from Bestop. Check it out. Trektop NX Plus for the two-door, and it is in black twill. So I'm gonna give my first impressions, and I'm gonna do a little walk around, just basically see what it's like. Also, I'm gonna drive, and so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the inside. So first impressions is that it's super nice. I'm very happy I went with the black twill. I think it's very nice looking, very like luxurious quality. Also, it was a tight fit to get the rear window on the back, but it gives it a much tighter, cleaner look. As far as the install goes, it did take a couple hours. I want to say about 2.5 hours with 2 people. It is not a hard process, but there is a lot of steps. If you can have a second hand also, that would come in handy, and you basically just have to follow the instructions very carefully. I also have the Bestop upper twills and have the core doors, of course. Fixed the issue with the doors not lining up. I had to adjust the hinges and get the door to line up so that way the windows can line up too, and it is a lot better now. It's still not perfect, but it does close easier than it did before. Another cool feature about the NX Plus version is that there is no zippers on the side windows. It has a sliding channel mechanism, so that's pretty cool for when you take them off. But this is what it looks like from the inside. I still have my windjammer too. Basically, you unlatch those latches and you have a Sunrider. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys for a drive so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the inside. So this is what the wind noise is like. It's not too bad. It's pretty quiet. I would say most of the wind noise would actually come from these windows, not so much the top itself. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. Overall, I'm very happy and I can't wait to do a long trip in this. So these are just first impressions about the top. A reminder, it is the Bestop Trektop NX Plus. If you guys have any questions about this top, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where we take this thing out on the trail soon. Also, we have another part coming in soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys.